Hey, good afternoon. Today we're going to be replacing a ignition switch from a 2007 Chevy Silverado. Like you see right here, my new ignition switch with the new keys. They just came in order of Amazon. They were like $50, something like that. And I got this trouble with my old key. If you can see here, it doesn't let the key turn. So you just gotta like kind of wiggle the thing until pass, and you crank your truck up, and well, we won't have to replace it with this. What you do is just down over here, pop the cover off. I already have that pop off. So see if I can do this recording that you have, and you get yourself like a pen, or you got like a little electrical wire, so you just slide a pin through there like that. But you gotta push the key like in on position, like this. Push it all the way in and hold it. Push the wire to the hole, and just slide the cylinder all the way out, and then you get the new cylinder, and you can see it's a new one. It's the new one. Let's see where you see it. There you go. That's a new one. So you just push it straight through. Turn the truck off. There it is. But see, turn on. Turn on. But however, I got this problem with mine. When I ever put this cover back on top of the thing and want to turn the truck on, so I realized they got these little pins. I don't know if they would see the mark of where it were. These two pins, they were like two pins sticking out. So I guess they're pushing something in there, and that's the reason why they wasn't able to turn the truck on and off once we put this back cap back on. So I just go ahead and took my knife and cut them all the way flush. You see, it's two of them, one over there, one here. I just cut them flush, and now it's working fine. So I just opened this video, tell somebody else. Like, I was just traveling, looking through the internet, trying to find something, that could help me to explain me why I wasn't, after putting this cover on the truck, it wasn't turning on and off. You see? Now it's working with the cover on. There it is. Well, I hope this video helped you guys replacing your ignition cylinders on your truck. If you got any questions or any comments, let me know. Like my video. I will appreciate a little support. Thanks, guys.